On Google Earth, not because of the water, because I could see the rock, but this is not the outcrop, which the other one was. This is washout from outcrop over the years. Anyway, but Ammonite there, big old Ammonite here, piece of an Ammonite there, piece of an Ammonite there, small piece, a big Ammonite, small shard, big one there coming out of the ground, an imprint, part of one, big chunk there. I was hoping I could find some echinoids since I'm an echinoid collector. Willie went to the car to get a 3-pound hammer for some hammer time. But there's a big shard there. So I was hoping this is an outcrop, but instead it's a wash area as opposed to coming straight out of the matrix. But still a lot of fun.
Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be. I just wish I